Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today you'll watch a conversation between two friends at a street corner. So let's begin. Hello everyone. आज के वीडियो में आप देखेंगे दो फ्रेंड्स की कन्वर्सेशन स्ट्रीट कॉर्नर पर. लेट्स स्टार्ट. थैंक यू. By the way, where are you going right now?
Just going to the market. I need to buy some groceries.
Exactly. So how's your family?
Some people never change. Everyone is doing well. My parents keep asking about you.
That's so nice of them. I'll visit your home someday.
You should. My mom will be very happy.
And what about your job? Are you still working in the same company?
Yes, but I'm planning to switch. I want better opportunities.
Great. Growth is important.
Absolutely. What about you? Any plans?
Thinking of starting something of my own. Maybe a small business?
A great idea. What kind of business?
Sure yet. Maybe something online.
That's smart. Online work is growing fast these days.
Yes. And it gives more freedom.
True. By the way, you still play cricket?
Times on weekends. Not regularly.
We should play together sometime.
Definitely. Let's plan this Sunday.
Fun.
Oh, I think my friend is coming.
Oh, wow. What a surprise. How are you? Oh, nice. Finally. He kept you waiting for so long.
Yes, as usual. He is always late.
Some habits never change.
Anyways, it was really nice meeting you after such a long time.
Same here, Rahul. I think we should meet more often.
Definitely, let's not wait this long next time.
Let's plan something soon.
Oh, maybe we can go out this Sunday. What do you say?
I think that's a great idea.
Right, then I will call you and confirm.
Hey, I will be waiting for your call. Thank you so much.
Take care, Neha.
Too, Rahul. Bye. Bye for now. Nice meeting you again. Thank you.